Beep boop bop, it's Becca, and welcome back to Baking with Becca. So, today we're going to make a fall treat. Happy fall, everyone. So, one of my favorite desserts to have in the fall has to do with pumpkin. So today we're gonna make some pumpkin cookies. They're gonna be nice and fluffy and cakey and moist and delicious. So here we go. So here are all of our ingredients for our cookies. Let's start over here. We have 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of margarine, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and chocolate chips. We're going to start off by mixing all of our dry ingredients together. So we have our flour here and then all of our little bowls of things. So our seasonings and our leavening agents all together. I don't know if you noticed my new bowls. I think they're adorable. Many different colors. Perfect for videos. And just use a whisk to mix it all up. You can already smell all of the seasonings mixing together, the cinnamon and the ginger. It's gonna bring so much flavor with the pumpkin. Awesome. Okay, so now we're gonna do our wet ingredients. So now we're ready for the rest of our ingredients. So the margarine is softened. I just put it in the microwave for like 20 seconds. I'm gonna add that in first. You can use a whisk again because you just want to cream everything together. And the sugar. It's important to cream the margarine and sugar by themselves together because this is what's gonna make the cookies fluffy. So next we want to add in our vanilla, and we're going to make our egg substitute. So this is our typical egg substitute. It's vinegar and baking soda. It's gonna make a little volcano. So this egg substitute is also what's going to help our cookies be really fluffy. So go ahead and mix this together. Okay, so now this is combined, we want to add in our pumpkin. So our pumpkin is nice and creamy. It's going to make our cookies creamy. Super excited. And if you like pumpkin desserts, make sure you also check out my pumpkin muffins video. I'll have a link to that right over here. I made that last year and they were so good. Okay, awesome. So now we're going to combine our wet and dry ingredients. Okay, so now you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees so it's ready by the time our cookies are ready. We want to add our wet into our dry. You can do it either way, but this is the bigger bowl, so you know, why not? If you are going to do wet into dry, I would suggest using a rubber spatula just to make sure you get all of it in. My rubber spatula is mini. It is a finger. I call it the finger, of course. Oh. And mix it all up. Okay, this dough looks incredible, and I can already smell the pumpkin and the ginger and the cinnamon and everything. I can tell these are going to be amazing. So now we have to get our pan ready. So I sprayed my baking sheet with some baking spray, just to make sure the cookies don't stick. And what you want to do is just take your spoon of dough, use another spoon, and just get a little bit right on here. And you can make them as big as you want. I think this size is pretty good because it's how big you want to eat them. Or even bigger if you're hungry. So our dough is ready, and these are going to go into the oven for about 15 minutes, but you want to check them as soon as they start to get a little bit golden around the edges. That means that they're done. So the first batch of 12 cookies are out of the oven, and they smell so good. The next 12 are in there, so it's making exactly 24 and baked for exactly 15 minutes. So now I just have some melted chocolate right here. So make sure you're using vegan chocolate. Not all chocolate is vegan. My favorite is Trader Joe's chocolate chips, but if you don't have that, you can use any other kind. So I'm going to just drizzle some chocolate on top of the cookies. So I'm just gonna let it drip a little bit. And drizzle. Come on. These look so good. Okay, I'm gonna finish this off for the rest of them. They're done. I'm so excited. I'm gonna pick one. Tough decisions here. Okay, let's do this one. Wow, incredible. As soon as you bite into, you already get such nice like pumpkin and spiced flavors. The chocolate is not too overpowering, don't worry. And also they would be good without the chocolate. You could do that or do some sort of vanilla glaze. But these are amazing. I hope you guys try out this recipe. Let me know if you like it. Also let me know in the comments other ideas for videos you want me to make, other recipes you like that I should try. Make sure to also give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.